Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the new indicator that we have created, which is the Godwin MACD Confirmation, which is this right here, that you can see a green and orange line traveling through the chart. I'm going to go over it real quick. We have seen a lot of times especially during choppy markets, we get signals that are, sometimes they don't work out. There are fake signals, false signals. I'm going to start with this very first one right here. On the 14th of January, well, today, um, at 12:55 a.m., there was a signal for a short. And as you can see, if you had taken the signal, it didn't really play out much. The started market started moving the other way. To avoid getting into these situations, I made this right here. This it is a MACD indicator, but it is enhanced. It is modified to work with our Godwin algo signals. And one thing that I really like about this that I've created is to avoid the choppy market, which we've been seeing lately. All right, so to give you example, so this is the short signal that came, and you can see the price didn't really move that much. It moved very little, which you can see from here. It did give you a small little few point trade from this signal at 21,038 to 21,003. So about 10-15 point signal that it gave. But as soon as it started moving up, you could see the green line, it moved up, it moved above the orange line. I'm going to expand this bit more so you can see it. You see it right there. And before the long signal came and invalidated this, you could see it was already way before that. That signal was invalidated. Then the long signal came in, and you can see at this signal. So let's say if you were now with this new indicator, when we see a long signal, we will see this is the signal is long. We will see the green line just crossed above the orange line, while the whole price action, both of these lines are above the baseline. And boom, that's our entry. So we will write it all the way to the top right here. And before it dies back here, this would be our exit point. And you can see this is still from the entry point all the way to that point. We're still looking at, there we go. We're looking at about 53 points. We're looking at 52 points, 50 points. So it's still a 50-point trade. And this is where I'm looking at on a 5-minute chart right now. Same thing. We got a short signal right here. We already know that there's a short, the green line has crossed below the orange line. So here's a short signal, which also gave a signal up there. And boom, market went down. It went below the baseline. It means what that means is that if it's going below the baseline, that there's a very strong sell volume that's coming in, and you can see the overall movement was to the downside since then. From here, we saw there was a sharp reversal. So when the long signal came, it it did give a bit of a signal of going up, a little chop here, but right here in this range, you can see how it is flatlining, completely flatline. It means it's not. It pretty much means just don't trade it, because this section right here, which is this section, until it breaks below, and you can see, so every short signal that actually played out nicely, you could see this was connected to it, and every long signal that played out that gave us a decent amount, whether it's a short signal or a long signal. There you go, this 197 points. And from this long signal to here, we're looking at 150 points. So every time there is a movement within these two lines, green line crossing up for a long signal or green line crossing down the orange line, that will give you a momentum base signal, and you can use this as a confirmation to take a trade for a long or short. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me. And if you're not on the Telegram group right now, please join the Telegram group. The link is in the description below. Thank you guys. Bye.